Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. In a recent episode, I showed you how to make jackrabbit tacos. Today I thought I would show you another great way to eat jackrabbit that's kind of a variation on that taco theme. So here I've got my jackrabbit taco meat, just like I made in the previous episode. And here I have a loaf of homemade bread, which I didn't film a video about, but I'm sure there are plenty of baking channels on YouTube who have done videos about making homemade bread. Anyway, I'm going to start by cutting this flat loaf down the middle. And now that I've got that opened up, I'm going to put these in the oven to toast it a little bit. Now I'm going to spread both halves with chipotle mayonnaise. Next, we're going to spread out the rabbit meat. And optionally add a little bit of cheese. Of course, if you use jack cheese, this will make this a double jack sandwich, because you got jack cheese and jackrabbit. So there's our giant jackrabbit sandwich. Now all I gotta do is cut this up into individual portions and it'll be ready to serve. That's all there is to it. Till next time, thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.